Forget massive machines. These compact powerhouses are built to shine where the big ones can't even move. Agile, tough, and ready to work, these small but mighty workhorses are here to prove their strength in the tightest spots. Giant skid WWer. Can mini loaders get even smaller? If the need is there, why not? Enter the giant line of ultra-compact loaders. The name might sound playful, but these machines are built for serious work. The standard skid steer in this series runs on a 25 horsepower diesel engine and can lift up to 807 kilograms to a height of just over 2 meters. It is not built for speed, topping out at 7 kilometers per hour, but it is ideal for tight construction zones and busy warehouse environments. That's why professionals are willing to invest up to $24,500 in one. The Hoeflon C1 crane is so compact it can fit inside a van or a freight elevator. But do not let its size fool you. This machine is a powerhouse on construction and renovation sites. It can lift up to 550 kilograms to a height of 5.6 meters. Perfect for handling building materials, furniture, or even large plants. Operated via remote control, it gives the user a clear view and greater precision. The crane can even move while carrying a load, making it perfect for working in tight spaces. The price? Sellers only share it upon request. So, how much would you pay for this compact lifting marvel? Cat Mini Dozer. It may be hard to believe, but this is not a factory-built machine. It is a homemade creation. Known as the Cat Mini Dozer, it is built on the frame of an old Bolens garden tractor and powered by an 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine. Imagine the range of tasks this little machine can handle. But it is not just about utility. The Cat Mini Dozer delivers joy and even internet fame. One video featuring this custom-built marvel has gathered over 1.5 million views, turning a backyard project into a viral sensation. Crytec CRD80H. Don't let the size of the Crytec CRD80H fool you. This mini dump truck is capable of carrying up to 800 kilograms with its bucket and even features a platform for the operator. Whether it's for warehouses, construction sites, or land reclamation, this machine is ready to take on a variety of tasks. Powered by a 15 horsepower diesel engine, it's not electric, but still delivers solid performance. And at a price of $9,280, it's surprisingly affordable. Imagine how much more it would cost with a more powerful engine. The Crytec CRD80H proves that size isn't everything when it comes to getting the job done. Summit TX25H. Introducing the sleek Summit TX25H, priced at $18,500. Though compact, it's packed with impressive features. The power takeoff shaft operates at 2,100 revolutions per minute. It's an all-wheel drive model with a differential lock for enhanced traction. For comfort, the tractor offers cruise control, steps on both sides, and a premium suspension seat adjustable to the driver's weight. The Summit TX25H also includes foldable, detachable side mirrors and liquid-filled rear tires to improve traction and reduce slippage. With these features, this machine offers both power and comfort in a compact design. Cub Cadet Original. This charming little tractor was a common sight in the United States during the 1960s. Isn't it adorable and surprisingly practical too? Built by Cub Cadet, it was designed for large property owners. Whether tending to a garden or simply maintaining a lawn, this tractor was up for the task. It supported a variety of attachments, including plows, haulers, lawnmowers, and even snowblowers, making it a versatile machine year-round. A dependable piece of equipment, Cub Cadet continues to thrive today, releasing innovative products like the world's first robotic lawnmower designed for golf courses. Bolens Ridemaster. Founded in the early 19th century, Bolens is still going strong today. A key milestone in its history was the development of garden tractors, making Bolens one of the pioneers in this field. Their design and build quality were so exceptional that some older models continue to run smoothly. Take the Bolens Ridemaster tractors, for example. One model from 1947, 78 years old, still operates just fine. Despite its 4-horsepower engine, it can reach speeds of 5 kilometers per hour and effectively till soil. With such lasting durability, there's no doubt these Bolens Ridemaster tractors will keep serving their owners for many more years to come. Struck MagnatracB-Series. The MagnatracB-Series mini bulldozer is promoted as the perfect mix of size, cost, and versatility, at least according to the sellers. Let us see if that holds up. First, the price, $14,900. It is aimed at private homeowners. Whether that is expensive is up to you. Those who invest get a track-driven helper that supports a wide range of front and rear attachments. It can clear snow, uproot stumps, haul logs, act as a loader, and much more. Its compact size allows it to fit in most home garages, making it a powerful tool in a small package. Pennsylvania Panzer. Over 50 years ago, engineer Jim Clark needed a tractor for his property in the suburbs of Washington. With limited options available, he designed his own. The result was the Pennsylvania Panzer, powered by 10 horsepower, 2-wheel drive, and 2 simple gears, forward and reverse. It wasn't fancy, but it was built to last. The Panzer proved so successful that it went into production and had several versions over time. Around 50,000 units were produced, and many are still running today, a testament to their durability. Jim Clark's practical solution turned into a legacy, with his design enduring for decades and still making an impact in the world of compact tractors. Cat Smart Dozer Blade. Cat Smart Dozer blades are built for both rough and fine grading of soil and gravel. What sets them apart is their remarkable compatibility. When mounted on older Cat skid steer loaders, the blade can be operated using auxiliary joysticks. On newer models, it integrates seamlessly with smart technology, adapting to the existing controls and offering new features displayed on the built-in screen. While it may sound straightforward, Cat's engineers spent years perfecting this level of integration. Their hard work certainly deserves more than a thumbs up. It's worthy of a round of applause. WM Pinguino. Meet the Pinguino, a small futuristic machine built for one purpose: resurfacing ice rinks. Though shorter than a Chevrolet Spark, it is capable of maintaining rinks up to 800 square meters in size. Available with either a gasoline or electric engine, it also features built-in lighting for safe nighttime operation. An optional rear-view camera adds convenience in tight spaces. With its sleek, modern design, the Pinguino looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It's a clever piece of engineering, but it comes at a cost. The price can reach as high as $59,500. Bobcat E10z. Any conversation about compact equipment wouldn't be complete without mentioning Bobcat. Known for its renowned skid steer loaders, the company also produces powerful excavators like the E10z. This model stands out for its narrow design, with a track width of only 71 centimeters, the same width as an average step. This makes the E10z perfect for navigating narrow doorways and tight spaces. It can dig up to 1.8 meters deep and comes equipped with a dozer blade. The boom swings 67 degrees to the left and 64 degrees to the right, and the bucket can be swapped for a breaker attachment. No wonder even used E10z machines still sell for around $22,000.